Alright, y'all, so I'm trying on the Cloud 9 What Lace Tyrina Wig, and this one was like a LP blonde. Definitely was not what I thought I ordered. As you can see, I'm looking like, what the fuck? Okay, because I have never, I have never wore hair this light. Like, I've never wore 613, but it has the usual two combs on the side. It has the adjustable straps in the back, and I believe the lace is a 13 by 9. I can't remember. Don't quote me. I like to use the pink and shears to cut my lace off because it's jagged, and it's, you don't get that straight line, so the lace lay down a little bit better. I'm no lace expert, so don't take my word for anything that I say. This is just a wig try on haul for myself. That's it. That's all. It's not a lace front tutorial, okay? So I'm parting the hair, and it's just like, it was a shocker. Like, y'all, y'all don't understand. Like, what the fuck? Because I just have never worn 613 hair before. I always wanted to, but so we got to do something about this lace, and I'm just taking a little bit of pressing powder, or whatever y'all want to call it, face powder, and just tinting that lace a little bit to get it to match. I'm gonna smooth my edges or whatever I have there left with some spritz and shine, just a little bit, just to lay those back. Nothing too fancy. I didn't have a new cap, so I found one of the ones I was using already, and I put that on. Okay, so now we're just adjusting the wig and just making sure that she fits correctly. It doesn't go quite ear to ear, but almost. And we're going to lay her down with the Boho Liquid Gold. I love this stuff. It does hold your lace for like 2 or 3 days. And all you have to do is just spray some water, and it comes right up. It wipes right off the lace, and you stick it back down. And I'm going in with my Rusk Speed Freak dryer to kind of dry that a little bit. Now, I do feel like maybe I had the wig down too far in the front, but I have a low hairline. I know I ain't got no edges, but the little bit I do have, my hairline is kind of low. Like, if you can see, it's kind of close to my lashes, eyebrows. So I don't know if it was that or what, but I did make it work. I actually kind of got used to it. So after putting it in or whatever, but this is the unit. Of course, it's not human hair, so you can't completely, flat iron it and all that. But I don't feel like it needed to anyway. So y'all see, I was channeling my inner Beyonce. What had happened?
Me twice.
Okay, so not bad. She was giving a little bit, what? Oh, okay, yes. It's not bad. It's definitely not the wig that I had on last time. I ordered the wrong color. So I'm gonna go online and reorder, but this is it. Hey, hey, hey. So y'all, my back is doing a little better. It does feel a little better. I ain't gonna lie, I've been smoking the hell out of weed today to medicate. And I took some Motrin. The Motrin kicking in. The weed is kicking in. So I'm doing a lot better. Yesterday was just, whew. yeah, yesterday was bad. So I'm getting ready to go home. I just got off work. Dang, I ain't mean to bring my vest home with me. And I need some work clothes. My husband needs some work clothes. I really haven't been buying work clothes, and I don't have any. A lot of my clothes too big, so we're going to get us a couple outfits for work. Probably not gonna cook. Y'all notice I haven't really been doing a lot of that because I be tired and I just haven't been in the mood like that. I did want some Alfredo today, but I may not cook it. I don't know. I got stuff that'll make a salad. I could eat a salad. I'll figure it out. But anyway, y'all, I'm just headed home. And yeah, if I remember, then I'll take y'all shopping with us. We just probably going to Target or somewhere. Nowhere fancy. So y'all just came home. Just changed my clothes. Ate me some noodles. Yes, I still eat noodles from time to time. I had to omit the seasoning and just like, you know, make my own little razzle dazzle season, but it was good or whatever. What happened?
I was asking you where you rolling up one.
Oh, I guess I will.
You ain't got to. I'm coming down.
He's so slow, y'all. I'm always waiting on him.
What's up, boo? Huh? About my shit.
Y'all, it's so hard being a black woman.
Oh my God, don't start that black woman shit. Don't do that, dog. Don't do that.
It's so hard, y'all. I ain't in my car, so I don't have my little thing, but it's so hard being a black woman. Like, we just go through so much.
What the hell you going through, Keisha?
Troy, look at all that trouble you just caused before
trouble?
I got on here.
What
You just did the most. Call my grandson no neck. You know, like, it's just crazy.
He don't
like
like no neck. That's my baby too. He don't. Little no neck. That's my baby too. He don't have no neck.
See what we have to go through?
What you going through by me calling him little no neck?
It hurt my feelings.
Girl, please. He be trying to fake crying, throw his head back, ain't got no damn neck. Just straight shoulder, head and shoulders, trying to cry. Ain't got no goddamn neck.
That's that stinker-rinker.
Oh, badass. I miss him, though.
That snoop-doop-doop.
Trying to
This
start-
color ain't bad,
Nah,
though.
you fine, girl. I love that shit. I like that. I like that style and color on you.
So now our ass is at Target. Troy finna buy all this stuff. I ain't really been seeing nothing in Target as far as work clothes because I wear black to work. So I'ma look again just to see, but I don't know. Troy fat, he gotta get some Starbucks.
Colorful and stuff?
Excuse me. Thank
You
you.
try that, baby.
Okay.
Wait on that one. I know it tastes good.
I'll get this little shirt. And I got these little shorts. Good. So again, Troy OD. I just got a little bit of stuff. You know, a couple of little outfits. But he went ham, bologna, and
pants.
turkey.
I got 5 pair of pants and a couple shirts.
Ham, bologna, and turkey. Y'all, this purse was 50% off. I got it for $15.
Oh, Aiden clothes too. Those probably
Aiden too.
$60.
So we ended our night getting some dinner from Bolay. This is my bowl, and thank you guys for watching.